Growth is nature's happy charm, where the things moving from sprouts to greatness. It is a question between tiny jolts and strong energy, a dream lighting up from flickers to flames. Across 30 years and more, in Yueqing, China's electric capital, KRIPAL has grown like a tree at dawn, nurtured by care and elevated by new ideas, reaching ever forward with hope. KRIPAL is grounded in a core belief: scientific management, bold innovation, teamwork, and brand excellence. This is why we have earned numerous accolades, such as the National Little Giant and High-Tech Enterprise Awards. We adhere to our values, virtue across the world, and empower each KRIPAL worker to shine. From oceans to continents, from the glow of the north to the heat of the tropics, we are headquartered in China, yet our reach extends to every corner of the world. In the realm of power, we continue to grow daily. With the 30 years of effort, KRIPAL transforms ideas into action, leveraging technology to enhance life. We offer 7 series of products, all of which are reliable and smart, designed for people worldwide. When lights turn on at a camp in Brazil's rainforest, or machines move in a wild mining area, our industrial plug sockets work strongly and safely, helping power flow better and stay secure. As electricity flows to Vietnam's smart factory lines, our power controlling products maintain operational stability and precision. They transform smart production dreams into reality and significantly boost Southeast Asia's industries. In Australia's deep mines, our isolating switches, built tough and smart, create a hidden wall of safety so power can be switched on and off safely. In South America's rain-soaked rainforest, our outdoor waterproof switchgear stands like a strong shield, offering superior protection and ensuring the safety of every bit of power. At Saudi Arabia's solar setups, or wind machines on Southeast Asia's islands, our green energy series of products keep things running smoothly, caring for nature's power and brightening tomorrow with a green light. From the tops of a palace in Middle East to city offices in North Americas, from wet workshops in India to cold outdoors in Russia, from the rhythmic pulse of smart homes to the resonating steel symphony of heavy industry. Our electrical components come in all kinds, perfectly adapting power to every lifestyle. Our power distribution products, with the top performance, ensure equipment and people safe. Innovation and quality drive KRIPAL's growth. Our team identifies what's needed, leverages new technology to enhance performance, and provides customers worldwide with reliable solutions. Our quality meets world-class standards, with every part tested from beginning to end to ensure each product is flawless. Certifications such as UL, CE, TUV, CAMA, SAMCO, SAA, VDE, and more underscore our commitment to excellence. KRIPAL's automated production lines use smart technology to increase efficiency. Precision sensors monitor each process, improving speed and accuracy through data analysis and guaranteeing the reliability of every product. Each switch operates with precision, contributing to the advancement of electrical technology. KRIPAL's sales network connects the globe through teamwork. From England's high-tech parks to Siberia's icy mines, from Singapore's smart cities to green energy projects by the Mediterranean, we collaborate with the partners in over 100 countries, building a safer electrical future together. In the years ahead, KRIPAL will stand strong with quality, rooted deeply in the industry's ground. With new ideas as our wings, we will face any storm and keep growing. KRIPAL, spreading reliability worldwide.